In your event business, legal agreements are the best because legal disagreements do happen. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Spin's Contract Builder to see how you can build these contract templates with dynamic data from both the client and the event. We don't, however, suggest using Spin's Contract Builder to build illegal agreements just in case an illegal disagreement might happen. So here we are at the Spin dashboard. To create a new contract, we're going to head up here to the header and we're going to click on the settings tab. If you're on mobile, you're going to head up to the menu button and then you're going to head to the settings tab that way. So now that we're in the settings page, we're going to head on down to the contract section here in the settings. And then we're going to head on over to the create contract button near the top of the screen. Clicking that button is going to bring up the Spin contract creation modal. Now, on first glance, you're going to see that this modal has two fields. We have a name and a body field. So in the name, we are going to title this contract a very legal above board contract, because that's exactly what it is. This is a very legal above board contract. Then heading down to the body, you're going to notice that there are two different sections here in the body. There is the text area, and then there's also a formatter up top where you have all of your different formatting options with some bold, italic. You've got your text formatting, your strikeouts, different header tags, some different alignment options. And then on the very right side, you're also going to see a merge tags menu. Now, clicking on that merge tags menu is going to bring up all sorts of different information that you can inject live data into each event. So you can create one contract template and then each event have the contract specifically customized for them with event details, location details, financials, and miscellaneous. So we're going to use those merge tags in a very short, very legal, very above board contract that we're going to create here. So starting out, we are going to go and delete all the information that's there. And then we're going to use the header tag to just reiterate this title because it is a very good title for a very legal above board contract. Whoa, I can't spell. Great. And then starting a new line is going to put us back on the body. And for this body, we're going to type, this contract is so legal that it could never, ever, one more ever be used for anything sketchy at the following locations. We're going to a colon there, new line. We're going to head over to the merge tags. We're going to scroll down and we are going to choose the location list merge tag. Now that's going to put all the locations. In Spin, you can put multiple locations on each event. So for this one specifically, this is going to list out every location that this event is in. And then after that, we're going to say the signer of this contract agrees to pay us as the business. So we're going to say business name, and this is going to pull from your settings. Business name, they agree to pay us the invoice total amount, and then say for being so cool and above board and legal, etc. So there we have it. That is our very legal above board contract here that we're going to create in the sample. So we're going to go ahead and generate this. And then now it saves and we see our new contract right there. Now, if we ever do need to delete it, deleting products and items here in Spin services are so simple. You're going to hover right over it. You're going to click this little trash can guy, and then you would click delete. Now, we don't want to delete it because we're going to be using it here in a future tutorial. Now, one more note on deleting items here in Spin. If you've watched other tutorials, you probably know this already, but deleting items is not going to remove it from existing events that have those items on them. Oh, okay. They want me to make a note about merge tags. So even though merge tag data is live before the contract is signed, once the contract is signed and the agreement is executed, that data becomes immutable. So the contract can't change. If the event data is to change, then the best way to handle it is to delete that contract and create a new one that's identical, and it will update with the new information, and then your client will have to re-sign. So that's a wrap for Spin's contract setup. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you on the dashboard.